Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to let Uber to access your location on the Uber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the account button down below on the right side corner of the page. Then click on settings in the middle of the screen. Here you should tap on privacy, which is the fourth option. Tap on location. And here you can enable the let Uber access device location. Tap on it, you will be directed to your phone settings. Tap on location and click on while using the app or always, so that you enable the app to have access to your location. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.